Hello friends, in this video I'll show how to prepare egg puffs from scratch. Prepare a dough with maida, water and salt. Knead it nicely. The dough should be soft. Divide the dough in 4 equal portions. Roll each portion out. Spread butter evenly. Fold it. Again spread butter on top. Fold it again. Repeat the process with the other 3. Keep on top of each other nicely. Dust some flour and roll it out again. Fold it from the sides and wrap the dough in a parchment paper. Refrigerate for an hour. After an hour, take it out from the refrigerator, dust some flour and roll it out. Spread the butter evenly and fold on both sides. Again spread the butter. Again fold it. Press it nicely. Again dust some flour. Roll out the dough. Fold it from the sides. Again fold it. Wrap it in a parchment paper and refrigerate. Heat oil. Add finely chopped onions. When it turns color, add ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander leaves and salt. Add pepper powder, mix it well and keep it aside. Take out the dough from the refrigerator, spread it nicely, divide it into 4 equal portions. Add the masalas in the center. Cut a boiled egg in half and keep it on top of the masalas. Take the edge and bring on top of the egg and press it nicely. Seal the edges properly, it should not open. On top, brush with egg yolks. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for half an hour. The pastry will be very crispy once it's baked and comes out of the oven, and you will really enjoy this egg puff.